Hey everyone, and I want to talk a little bit about marigolds today. So marigolds are a plant that I remember from my childhood. My mother loved marigolds. They were in the garden year after year after year. And actually the first time I really took notice of them was in my mom's vegetable garden. She used these as a thick, dense border around the vegetable garden to help deter things like the rabbits. We didn't have deer necessarily coming into our garden, but we did have rabbits, and they have a very pungent smell on their leaves. If you've never smelt it, I would challenge you to come in here in Earthworks and get a little whiff of them. It's not a bad smell, but it's definitely unique. There's nothing else quite like the smell of them in the garden. Marigolds are very easy to grow. They're probably one of the easiest blooming plants that we can grow here in Northeast Florida. They're all, if you notice here by what you see before me, they're all warm colors. They're like fire. We got yellows and oranges and reds, and then we have some that are orange and red, or orange and yellow, or yellow and red, all these combinations, but they look great together. And another really nice way to use marigolds is also to combine them with some cool colors, some blues and some purples, and maybe different shades of all of those, because of that contrast between the warm and the cool colors. It really is nice. So you could put some marigolds around the borders, put some of the blue salvias or some of the lobelia mixed in with these, or even a bed or a shrub of plumbago behind with these warm colors in the front, and it looked fantastic.